Over the past week, the investment market has been a hot topic of expectations for shipbuilding to benefit from the Korea-US tariff negotiations. Interest also continued in the impact of Samsung Electronics' large-scale foundry supply contract with Tesla. According to financial information company FinGuide, the most searched keyword by investors in the week from July 30th to August 5th was tariff. A day before the expiration of the U.S. government's tariff grace period, attention was focused on the impact of the Korea-US tariff negotiations, which lowered mutual tariffs to 15% on the 31st of last month. Hoseon was ranked second in the keyword search ranking. Attention was focused on shipbuilding stocks on the news that a $150 billion, about 209 trillion won, Korea-US Shipbuilding Cooperation Fund will be created as part of the tariff negotiations. In the stock search ranking, Daehan Shipbuilding and Hanwha Ocean ranked second and third respectively. Korea Shipbuilding has seen a steep rise in stock prices since its listing on the Kospi on the 1st. Korea Shipbuilding stock price has more than doubled from the public offering price 50,000 won to 107,700 won as of the closing price on the 6th. Korea Shipbuilding is evaluated as having competitiveness in the global market due to its long-standing business history centered on medium and large ships. As a result, Daehan Shipbuilding's annual operating profit recorded steep growth for the third consecutive year from 3.3 billion won in 2022 to 35.9 billion won in 2023 and 158.1 billion won in 2024. In particular, the operating profit rate has also soared to 22.7% in the first quarter of this year, continuing its earnings growth accompanied by returns. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Hanwha Ocean's stock price soared 18% between the 30th of last month and the 6th of last month. The earnings surprise was significantly higher than the market forecast in the second quarter earnings announcement the previous day. Hanwha Ocean recorded 3.3 trillion won in sales and 371.7 billion won in operating profit in the second quarter of this year due to strong merchant business, exceeding market expectations. 262.7 trillion won and 268.6 billion won. Expectations that it will play a central role in Korea-US shipbuilding cooperation also added to the stock price. Hanwha Ocean is the only Korean shipbuilder to have a shipyard in the U.S. when it acquired Philly Shipyard late last year. From the 30th of last month to the 6th, a total of 16 securities companies have raised their target stock prices of Hanwha Ocean. As interest in Hanwha Ocean continued, Hanwha Ocean Here We Go ranked 10th in the report search ranking in the past week. Researcher Suna Jae-ho said in the report, "This year's order will be larger than last year's $8.99 billion, adding, considering the demand based on reference, such as working with the U.S. Navy, expectations for orders are expected to remain solid in the second half of the year." Meanwhile, Samsung Electronics, the leader of Kospi, rose to the top of the stock search ranking during the same period. It is interpreted that interest continued when Samsung Electronics announced on the 28th of last month that it had signed a foundry supply contract worth about 23 trillion won with Tesla. Attention was also paid to Samsung Electromechanics, which supplies semiconductor substrates to Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electromechanics is responsible for the success of Samsung Electromechanics, Samsung Electronics, and Tesla, Dishin Securities Park Kang-ho. A report related to Samsung Electromechanics ranked first in the report search ranking over the past week. Samsung Electromechanics also ranked fourth in the stock search ranking over the past week.